Hello. So I am trying to figure out this tag and if it'll work the way it looks. Here's my lucky horseshoe, pony, donkey shoe I found out on the hillside. And while I was collecting wood, and I hurt my wrists and hands, so I thought I'd put these, what are they? Spandex or tight things to maybe help with my hands and wrists. So I cut out, it's just a makeshift one to see about, trying to figure that out. It's a 2 by 1 1/4, looks like, because it folds in half. Now see, I see a problem with if you fold it in half, then your tab here isn't colored, doesn't have the mushroom background and nature scene. And the tabs, I don't think there needs to be 2 tiny tabs like this. I think 1 tab along the side would work just fine. It just makes it a little easier to glue together with the tabs. And you can put your thing, slide it in your pocket there. Or you could just cut it in half and glue it on like this. A little bigger than that size. This would be great for a mini journal, junk journal. So the tabs would need to be here, here, and here to give it a little bit more space to fit something in there. Because if you don't have tabs, you're going to be gluing a good portion of that pocket together. But I think that's how it needs to be done. See, the other way you could do it, no, that wouldn't work. But that's what my thoughts are with this here. Probably not even going to use it because that's not easy. Thank you for watching. Bye.